Hello guys, this is Nilesh Kamble and in this video we are going to see how to make taskbar smaller in size in Windows 11 computer. So you see taskbar is showing very big icons and that's why it is occupying lot of space on your screen. So I want to make these icons smaller, so this space will be also smaller in taskbar. So let's go and make some changes in the registry because there is no straightforward way in Windows 11 to do these changes. That's why we have to do it from registry. Open the run box and in the run box type regedit. Hit enter. Once you hit enter, click on user account control permissions. So once you open registry, expand this H key current user. Click on this and then click on software. Expand this by clicking on the arrow button, then Microsoft. In the Microsoft you have to click on this arrow to expand Microsoft folder, and in the Microsoft go to Windows. Let's go to Windows folder, and this is the Windows folder. Click on this arrow to expand it. Once you expand the Windows folder, you have to navigate to or expand current version. So click on this arrow again, and in the current version scroll down to find explorer. So here is the explorer. Expand explorer folder as well. Click on advanced, and once you click on advanced you have to right click on this white area, then click on dword 32-bit value, write task bar si and hit enter. Now it is giving me error because I have already created this keyword value. So I'm going to click on OK. Here is this keyword value. I'm going to double click on it and then change this value to 0. Click on OK and then click on close. Restart your computer, and once computer is restarted you will see small icons on your taskbar, and it will reduce the size of the taskbar as well. So let's see after the restart what is the result. And once I'm logged into the computer, you can see the taskbar is showing small icons, and hence it is, and we have make taskbar smaller in Windows 11 computer. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe and press the bell icon to enable notifications for future videos. Thanks and bye bye.